Bzzz. And the flowers and the worms. There's a ladybug. See the ladybug? Yeah? Let's see what else there is. Let's, looky there, it's a worm. Oh, then there's the spider. Hello, Isaiah. Hello. How are you, Isaiah? Look, I've got my umbrella. There's the umbrella. What else is on there? Flowers. Pretty. Is that pretty? Look at the rainbow. Oh, the rainbow. And the snail. Look at the worm. He's in a little ring to protect him. Let's see here. What else we got?